Do you know you can cook your fried rice without being stressed at all? And it will be burnt free and the flavor will be super perfect. Let me show you how I prepare this fried rice you're looking at. This is very easy, very quick, very delicious, and it is so easy. Lovely. So you know what I used? I used my rice cooker. Yes, you can hear me well. I did not cook this with a pot, and I did not use my cooker for it. I used my rice cooker. This is the rice cooker I used. This is how I bought it. You can open it. You can remove what came with it, like a pot, and what you can see down there is the electronics that's going to cook it. This is around 2 liters, 1.8 up to 2 liters. That is how it came. So I've washed it, and now I've washed my rice. For the exact measurement used, please check the description box or the comment section. It will be there. I added water into the well-washed rice. Yes, if you're using long corn rice, this is super perfect. You will have it intact. I added salt into it, and all I need to do now is to just cover it and then turn it on and allow it to continue cooking. So while that is cooking in a pot, I pour vegetable oil into this. You can use coconut oil or olive oil for it, but I used vegetable oil. I added onions into the oil. I will allow it to fry for about 2 minutes. I'll use this opportunity to say thank you so much to all you, my returning subscribers. Thank you to all you, my commenters. Thank you for sharing my video. Newcomers, welcome to Delicious Kitchen. God bless you. Those are the vegetables I'll be using. I have carrots, I have maize, I have green peas there, and I'm going to add diced green bell pepper. Yes, that's green bell pepper. I'll be adding herbs. I have curry there, I have thyme, and I also added chili flakes into it. And what I have here is the seasoning I'll be using. Please check the description box or the comment section. You'll find the measurements there. So I'm going to add salt. Remember, we added salt to the rice we are boiling, so add salt to your taste, not too much. You can always adjust your salt. It's our time to fry everything together while the rice is cooking. Thanks for watching this video up to this stage. Have you joined us here? If you haven't, please do so now. Share the video so that I can always have the recipe whenever you're ready to prepare yours. Thanks for liking the video. So you can see the rice boiling. When the water goes down around 11 minutes, I opened it and I love what I have. This is 90% done. So I'm going to add the mixture now into it. The flavor of the rice and this combo mixture of vegetables I've just added into it shows how it's going to be. So I covered it and I turn it on back and allow it to cook till it's done, because when it gets done, the red light will turn to yellow. That shows the rice is done. So I opened it and I gave them a good mix. Don't use an iron spoon to mix it so that you will not spoil your rice cooker. Get spatula or something like this, a plastic spoon, to mix them together until they all well combine together. Lovely. The aroma is intact. The taste is everything. If you would like to see how I prepare this chicken, check the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.